Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Touring Tuesday. I'm Jen, your Delaware Realtor. Today we are back at Hampton Hills. Did you see this updated master bath? This is great! I see you. This is the brand new Aster floor plan, which is a ranch style home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and this particular home has a huge optional loft which runs the whole length of the house. Has many upgrades, including this coppered ceiling, audio upgrades throughout the house, and this beautiful modern fireplace. This is my type of kitchen. Have you seen this hood? And the double ovens are standard. I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you in your Delaware new construction experience, but you have to make sure that you call me before you go to the sales model. Remember, before you go to the sales model. Doesn't love an oversized tub? I mean, even tall people can fit in here. This tile is absolutely gorgeous, and I love that it is floor to ceiling. This is probably one of the biggest lofts I have ever seen. And an added feature, it has the option of adding a bathroom or even a 4th bedroom. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode of Touring Tuesday. Join us next week where we tour another newly listed home. Hey, are you interested in this community? Did you see that I actually toured the Linden model as well? Check out that video right here. And if you would love to tour Delaware new construction homes with me, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.